Good evening to you. A rather unsettled look to the weather, I think, in the next few days. That means some welcome or possibly unwelcome rain, depending, of course, on your point of view. We have weather fronts already beginning to push in from the west, toppling away the ridge of high pressure that kept most places reasonably fine and dry today, but already quite a lot of cloud around. One or two holes to give some late evening sunshine, but that cloud thickening across Ireland, rain there, and spits and spots of rain in other northern parts as well. But a little bit of late sunshine, I said, in parts of England and Wales, a little bit grey in the extreme southeast, and already rain beginning to push into Northern Ireland, one or two spits and spots in other northern parts as well. And we will find these outbreaks of rain working their way into many other northern and western parts during the course of the night. Southeastern corner, though, probably staying fine and dry, although many areas will, if anything, stay a little bit on the misty side. A fairly warm night, lowest temperatures in the range 11 to 13 degrees. Tomorrow we might even find that the extreme southeast, or some of these southeastern areas, start off dry and bright, although even so, could be the odd sort of light burst of showery rain around. Rather more in the way of rain in northern and western areas, one or two fairly heavy bursts in northwestern parts. I think we will find that the thickening cloud with those outbreaks of rain work their way across to those eastern areas during the course of the day, allowing brighter and drier weather eventually to come into Northern Ireland and many western parts of England and Wales. The deciding factor is going to be the shift in the wind. We start off with southwesterly winds, but as those winds swing round to the northwest, that's when the rain should ease off and the weather begin to brighten up. But that northwesterly wind is also quite a fresh wind, both in speed and in temperature. So in the southeastern corner, still reasonably warm tomorrow, especially if you're lucky enough to have some early sunshine. But I think for most parts of the country, it will feel a bit on the cool and fresh side, with temperatures around about 18 degrees or so. Keeping those stiff winds throughout Saturday, another weather front beginning to push in from the west. So we might get the odd shower around first thing on Saturday, and still some rain in the northeastern part of Scotland. But I think most places will have a dry day on Saturday, but later on the cloud beginning to thicken again from the west. For Wimbledon in the next couple of days, problems may be tomorrow, but not too bad a day on Saturday. And then for the rest of the country on Sunday, the rain pushing across during the day, brighter weather with showers following.